after that motion, if ever members...
No, I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang sabi ko kanina,
just only my point.
wait. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's also right that we debate on something, but when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal.
October 30 BSKE. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about the list of Intel officers and Intel agents? Were they able to comply?
No, Your Honor.
Can I request or ask the PNP, why did you not comply with this request from the committee?
We have a Your Honor, we have a copy last meeting. Hindi lang po namin nayabot, pero yun po yung hawak namin ng mga book-binded na document. Yun po yung listahan. May apology po, hindi ko po nayabot kasi hindi naman po tinanong.
Dala nyo rin PD right now?
Pero,
Dala nyo right now?
naiwanan na po, Your Honor. Pero pwede ko pong ipakuha, papahabol po ngayon kasi nakaready naman po siya.
Okay, sige. Please do so, PD. Sige,
Mr. Chair.
yes, Congresswoman Matibag, please.
Mr. Chair, I have here a letter from, it's a deputization letter that coming from Honorable Julian Jamberon, the Deputy Majority Leader, that I am being deputized to hear and participate here in the Committee on Public Order and Safety in the bill filed by our Honorable J.J. Suarez, as this is the same bill that I have filed also, which is also happening in my district. I would like to get the permission of the body, Mr. Chair, that I'd be allowed by our members to be part of this committee because, Mr. Chair, I'm thinking, this is the last day of our session for today, and Mr. Chair, if you have heard my privileged speech, pinagbabawalan ako ng PNP namin sa San Pedro na magkaroon ng security from the PNP. It happened also na merong one time na nagsunod sa akin na police just because nakita ako sa fiesta, and then Mr. Chair, the following day, na-relieve na siya sa Binyan. It's so easy for the hepe ng San Pedro to relieve someone just because sumunod lang po sa akin, Mr. Chair. So, in line with this, it's going to be our last day for today, and then we will be having a recess. So, Mr. Chair, as a nanay, I have 3 kids. Mabata pa po yung anak ko. I have 10, 5, and 3 years old. And I am into the safety of my district, of my leaders, my children, and my family, and myself, Mr. Chair. That's why I would like to seek your permission for this.
Okay, thank you so much.